Hello, my dear students. I hope you all enjoy this story. Unity is strength. Okay. So now is the time to solve the activity in workbook. So are you ready? So let's start. So my dear student, same topic in your workbook. Story time. Unity is strength. Unity is strength. Okay. Read this all word again. Okay. WORRIED, worried. Okay. Then QUARRELLING. See here, double letter word, na? Double letter. Double R, double L. So you keep it in mind. Okay. Quarreling. AGREE. Again here double E. Agree. BUNDLE, bundle. STICKS, sticks. SURPRISED, surprised. UNBROKEN, unbroken. IMPOSSIBLE, impossible. Again here double S. UNITED, united. FRIENDSHIP, friendship. Okay, so now let's start the writing work. See, find 4 smaller words hidden in each of the following words. See, one has been done for you. See here, from everything, word is everything. EVERY, every. THING, thing. Everything. From everything, EVERY, smaller word, every. Then THIN, thin. VERY, very. Then THING, thing. Now we have to find a word from friendship. Friendship. Okay, so here first word I am writing SHIP, ship. Okay, ship. Then FRIEND, friend. Okay, friend. Then next word is END, end. Okay, END, end. And SEND, send. Okay, now next is SEPARATED, separated. Okay, from separated word we can write separate. SEPARATE, separate. Then RATE, rate. Then SPARE, spare. And SEAT, sit. Okay, my dear student. Now last is together. Together. From together we can write TO2, GET, get. Then OTHER, other. And THERE, there. See, we are using this word only and writing a smaller word hidden in given word. Now turn the page number, workbook page number 42. Okay, here answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. So what is the first question? Why was the old man worried? Why was the old man worried? Why he was worried? Because his sons were always quarreling with each other, right? And they would never agree on any point. And they would not listen to him and would get fight for everything, right? That's why he was worried, na? So we will write the answer. Let's see the answer. Wait, I will write for you. So students, here is the answer. The old man was worried because BECAUSE, because his sons were always quarreling with each other. Okay. Now next question. What happened when the sun tried to break the bundle of sticks? What happened? So what happened when the sun tried to break the bundle of sticks? The bundle of sticks would not break, right? So here is the answer. The bundle of sticks would not break. Okay. The next question. What happened with the single sticks? What happened with the single stick? The single stick broke very quickly, right? So let's write. So here is the answer. The single sticks broke very quickly. Okay. Now question number 4. What lesson did the sons learn? What the lesson they learn? United we stand, divided we fall. Right? They learn this lesson. So the sons learned the lesson. United we stand, divided we fall. Okay. So write like this way. Now next question is, arrange the following words in the proper order to make meaningful sentence. One has been done for you. See here given, worried man was older. It is the correct sentence? No. So the correct is, the old man was worried. Okay. So here we have to write second one. Everything for fight they would. So what is the correct? They would fight for everything. Okay. So we have to write like this. So this is the correct way. They would fight for everything. Okay. Now next is, sticks of the bundle did break not. What is the correct? The bundle of sticks did not break. Okay. See, the bundle of sticks did not break. Okay. Now next is, easily broken sticks a single is. What is the correct answer? A single stick is broken easily. Right? Okay. A single stick is broken easily. Okay. Now last, stand, divided, fall, united, we. So what is the correct? United we stand, divided we fall. It is the correct answer. Okay. And the correct answer is, united we stand, divided we fall. Okay. Understand, students? So do it nicely as I shown. Okay. Thank you very much.